Welcome to episode 2 of Eat Well, Live Well, and our series, Eating for Awesome Energy. I am one of the co-hosts, Nancy.
And I'm Susan.
Yay! Thank you for coming back. We're so excited that you're here. A little recap, don't you think?
Oh yeah, I do.
On why we're doing this particular series, Eating for Awesome Energy. Most people know they have a lot of energy in the morning after that cup of coffee, maybe that bagel, then they have a drop, they eat something, it spikes up. What we want to do is prevent these highs and these lows, these crashes that so many people have, and help you eat balanced so that your energy stays balanced all day long.
I love that.
Yeah. So one thing we didn't talk about in the first video was the glycemic index.
Oh, tell us more about that.
It's very exciting, very exciting. So it's an index where it rates carbohydrates on a scale of 0 to 100 in how fast they're absorbed, meaning how quickly it's going to increase your sugar level, your blood sugar level. So it's not that you can't have foods that are higher on the index, but you definitely want to pair them with a protein or a fat to slow down the absorption.
Okay.
Yeah.
So an example of that high glycemic.
Like a papaya, watermelon could be, figs. So those are some, they just our bloodstream that shoots out the insulin and we get a nice spike. If you add a fat or a protein, it slows it down. And then you have other foods that are lower on the glycemic index. So as you're cooking, we'll be mentioning some of those.
Yes. Yeah, okay, yay.
What do we have today?
Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, we have parsley pesto. And the great thing about this recipe, it'll make a batch, right? So you'll have leftovers most likely. It's great for it to become a dressing. You can add it and make a salad dressing. You can top it on other pieces, as we're going to show you, a soca bread to have a nice little healthy snack.
Or pizza.
Pizza!
Yeah, I'm sorry, pesto pizza.
Oh, yes.
Fabulous.
Yum, tons of veggies and talking my language, girl. Talking my language.
All right.
Okay, so our first ingredient for this parsley pesto is a bunch of flat leaf parsley.
Ta-da!
And this is about 2 to 3 cups.
Yeah.
Oh, and onto our
Processor?
food processor. See, this is live, okay? Right? And your brain sometimes leaves you, right?
Yes.
Because you have so much you're thinking of. So anyway, food processor, yes. I want to mention I'm using an S-blade. It chops everything very well. So you want to make sure you use an S-blade for this in your food processor. You can also use the Vitamix or a high-speed blender to make sure that you get it chopped up and emulsified. So we're going to add our parsley. Okay, Nancy, tell me the nutrients and the rich antioxidants we get from the parsley.
Yeah, so parsley is great. It's very rich in antioxidants. It's also detoxifying for the body. So a lot of people think they have to go on special detoxes and things like that. And I'm not promoting them or not promoting them.
Correct.
But our body is a natural detoxifier. So when you have parsley, it kind of helps that process within our bodies. It also has a little bit of fiber in it. And it's just good all around. I'm just gonna say it.
Yeah, and we're introducing things that we want to help you support your body in these processes. So our next one is 1/4 cup of raw almonds. All right, so almonds, let's talk about almonds.
Yeah, so almonds are great because they do contain protein, fiber, and fat. So they're really good there. And they're also they have minerals such as iron for energy, which is awesome.
Very good.
The thing I'm gonna caution everybody when it comes to any kind of nuts or seeds
Oh yeah, I know where she's going with this one.
is you gotta monitor your portions. So the recipes, obviously we have how much to use, but I always say there's being healthy and then there's being healthy but overeating to maintain your weight, or if you are trying to lose weight. And they are very calorically dense, which means they have 9 calories per 1 gram. So that's higher than fats than carbs or protein, which have 4 calories per 1 gram. So you definitely want to monitor your fat intake.
Boy, that's a good fact to know. So next is our 1/4 cup of olive oil. And I love olive oil, but again, with olive oil, can you overdo olive oil? And tell us the benefits of olive oil.
Yeah, so you can easily overdo olive oil because it's a liquid. And so a lot of people with dressings, when they're having some food, they just pour it on, and it really just takes you way over the calorie limit that you want to be. There's also a lot of debate, right? Especially in the plant-based world, and we are doing plant-powered foods here. No oils or oils. Where do you stand? People are gonna know since we're making something with oil.
I use oil. I've been where I didn't use oil, and to be honest with you, Nancy, I personally felt a difference in my skin. Drier, just more wrinkly, if you will. So healthy fats, to me personally, they're good for me.
Yeah.
They help me.
Yeah. I think I go with the whole thing, like one of my big taglines that I always say is it true? Like, is the information we're hearing true? And there's 2 sides of the camp.
Absolutely.
And then is it true for you? Right? How does it fit for you? I'm a very moderate person when it comes to oil. I've learned how to reduce it with roasting and different things.
Correct.
But I still use it in certain recipes and things like that. So always know that. Is it true for you?
Right.
And go with that.
Yeah.
But it's very rich in polyphenols. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's a healthy fat. So many benefits.
Yes. Okay, next ingredient, a clove of garlic. So garlic's benefits, what about that?
Oh, it wards off vampires.
All right.
Did you not know that?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can wear a whole thing to ward off vampires. That's it.
It may ward off your husband or boyfriend, I'm just saying.
Yeah, it's low on the glycemic index, and it has vitamin C, antioxidants. I love garlic in everything.
I too.
I'm gonna get a little personal here.
Okay.
Like I eat so much garlic that some mornings or when I'm working out and I start sweating.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure I smell like garlic.
Yeah. Just keep a breath mint or just use extra deodorant, who cares, whatever, you know? Okay, so our next ingredient is gonna be 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Tell us about lemon juice.
Oh, also low on the glycemic index, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory. Tastes good.
It does. It actually in recipes I feel like adds that little zip to a recipe.
Yeah.
I really like lemon. And I like lemon just squeezed like on my salads too. I feel like it really enhances a salad.
Yeah, I think if you do, honestly, just like, so I'm gonna go back to the olive oil.
Yeah.
Just in monitoring your fat intake. Like we only need a certain percentage of healthy fats.
Right.
So if you want to eliminate it from your salads and your salad dressings, a lemon juice with apple cider vinegar is delicious.
Yeah.
Lemon juice with balsamic vinegar, like you mix it and it really, and put some garlic.
Oh yeah.
Delicious.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, yeah. But
Yeah.
lemon, and in this recipe, I believe, if you make sure you wash the skin of the lemon, or it's organic and wash it, you could put the zest in here too, or you could put it on top for a little extra pop.
Nice, very nice. Oh, should have saved the lemon.
I know, we didn't
right?
do that.
Okay, so the next ingredient is going to be, and I'm really interested to hear about the benefits of this one, Nancy, the grated fresh ginger. Love ginger.
Ginger, we all know ginger ale, right, Kane? Whenever you were not feeling well, had an upset stomach, get ginger ale. No, get real ginger. Put it in some nice warm water. It's really good for nausea, but it also is an inflammatory, and it can help lower your blood sugar. So, I mean, all the same things that we're looking for. It's just another little level within your recipe.
Okay, all right, and our last ingredient is our salt. And salt in cooking helps to enhance flavor.
Yes.
So is there nutritional benefit in salt?
You can do pink Himalayan salt.
Which,
I love.
that's what I use.
Yeah, sea salt.
Yes.
Like, so you have all the minerals still, and we do need some salt. Like we do need it. The problem is when we get over processed foods, and I'm going to go a little kind of geeky here. So salt, sugar, fat. That is when food companies are making something for you, these processed foods, they're looking for what's called the bliss point. The bliss point is that exact point where you eat enough that you want more, and then you get to a point where you're like, you didn't go so crazy that you're gonna do it again. It's this sweet spot, and they'll continue to add salt, sugar, or fat to an ingredient until they get to that spot.
Yes.
Yeah.
Love that.
Yeah.
Okay, guess what?
What?
We're ready to blend this up.
Okay.
Our parsley pesto. So here we go. Ooh, this smells so good.
That smells good. Ta-da!
Look, our
We're back.
beautiful parsley pesto.
Yay!
Okay, so we're gonna do a little taste test, okay, Nancy?
Yes.
So we're gonna put us a little in these cute little bowls. I was telling Nancy earlier, my hubby and I use this quite a bit for our dips and stuff when we're having little snacks.
Super fun. And
Okay.
what we're having, how do you pronounce this bread?
Suka.
And that's gonna be.
That's coming in another episode. Suka bread.
Yay. All right, first cheers.
Cheers. Suka.
Yay.
And parsley dip.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Your Suka broke.
It's so good.
Cheers.
We learn to take a tiny bite. Oh boy.
Okay.
I
So
feel
good.
all over myself, but delicious.
Super delicious. Yes. So that was episode 2 with parsley pesto.
Yes.
And my mouth is too full.
Yep, so all the recipe will be listed below. Listen, you're getting us live and real, so, we're trying to do not be messy. All the recipes will be listed below as we upload the video, so be sure to continue to follow us and stay tuned for our next one.
Yeah, follow us and like us.
And remember, eat well to live well longer.
Absolutely.
Yay!
Till next time. Bye.